Hello everyone, so today we are learning in creating a Google form. So let's start. Here, just type google.com so that you will be brought here and then click these Google apps. Choose forms. Just scroll down and click forms. There are different templates here you can choose, and I will choose a blank form. Okay, so let's try creating our own Google form. I will put anything here. You can put different any description here and add untitled question. First, you can put name, ask their name. Since name cannot be chosen by multiple choice or check boxes, you need to choose short answer. Okay, so just click this plus button to add another question. Okay, so let's choose multiple choice. Here in the name part, you can put required here so that um, anyone should answer this question their name. Okay, so let's edit our option 1 and add another option. Okay, so that's all. You have already created your own Google form. So just click this plus sign if you want to add another question. And when sharing your Google form, you need to click this or publish. Okay, anyone on the link, you can share your link to anyone and click publish. So that's all everyone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something for today. Thank you.